This is Raja Singh. Three bad morning habits that you must stop doing. Number one, don't use your mobile in the morning when you wake up. If you use your mobile in the morning, you will be negative and lazy, and your mind will be loaded with useless information. So don't use your mobile in the morning. If your morning is good, your day will be good. Number two, don't do multitasking. If you are studying or you are working, do one thing at a time. Don't do five things at a time. Your focus is limited. Your willpower is limited. Number three, don't use your mobile on your bed. Don't use your mobile 30 minutes before going for sleep. If you use your mobile at night, it will affect your eyes and you cannot sleep well at night, and it will also affect your productivity and your body.